Hello, it's Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales out here at the auction. And I want to let you know that if you're looking for a piece of equipment, you're looking for a truck, a car, I am here to help you get it. I am here to inspect it for you at the auction. And I'm here at the auction. So we know vehicles, we have mechanics who can come and inspect them, and we'll get you what you're looking for. All these pickup trucks, service trucks, boom, bucket trucks, if you need a bucket truck. And if you're looking for a box truck, Isuzu box trucks, right here, look at all of these Isuzu box trucks. And I'm here to inspect it for you, to get you what you need, and I will warranty it for you. I'll guarantee it for you. I'm not gonna get you something that doesn't work. And if you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. Bring it back, I'll give you your money back. Because everything happens with good relationships. So we got pickup trucks, and oh my God, look at all of these trucks right here. And they're government vehicles. So some of these vehicles are smogged already, they're ready to go. And so we got cars here. Cars, police cars, and we got some vans over there, cargo vans. And right here, these are the cargo vans. You need a cargo van. Anyways, it's me, Mooji, with Mooji Truck Sales. I will stand behind my vehicles and I will get you what you need. Let me know what you need. Thank you.